Hi everyone, my name is Mona Bandov and I'm currently a master's student in public health data science, and I'm the recipient of the Norman Berry Memorial Scholarship. So the reason that I chose USC was because there aren't many master's programs in public health data science, and I found that this was one of the programs that kind of combined both the public health part and the data science really well, but also this aspect of statistics, but also like machine learning. And so I found that the coursework done here at USC kind of resembled what I want to do in my career. And so I chose USC just because it aligned perfectly with what I want to do. In the next few years and possibly forever. So yeah. One highlight would be that I find that in most of my classes, we do at least one project. And so as like a data scientist or emerging data scientist, it's really important to be exposed to projects, whether it's working in teams or individually. So I found that through this program, I was able to really deepen my understanding, but also work with others to figure out how to answer like tough public health questions. And then I guess my other thing would be exposure, just because I find that the material learned here is pretty good in terms of when I, like for example, like at an internship that I'm at, I find that some of the, or at least all the material that they talk about over there, I've heard it in classes here. So it kind of reflects how in-depth the courses are and how applicable it is to the real life setting. So I really appreciate this program and how in-depth it is. During my time here, I've had the opportunity to internship at two different places. And so one being in a government entity where I looked at nursing data. And then for my second one, and the one that I'm currently interning at now, is looking at pharmacy claims data, where I get to look at, that shift between brand and generic drugs. And oftentimes it's to see if whether or not we can reduce the cost for members, especially in the healthcare and health insurance space. And I find that, these advanced statistical tools used in my current internship, I've seen in classes here. So just things like time series analysis and also being able to forecast things. As a first-gen college student, my advice to other students is to put yourself out there. So I guess that would mean maybe go to events and also learn about, others, but also learn about yourself. USC hosts a lot of different types of events, off campus and on campus. So I think that's a great opportunity to meet other people, but also, just learn in general. I think another advice would be to talk to your professors and ask for help when needed. I know oftentimes it could be a little bit intimidating, so as long as you put yourself out there, ask questions, they're more than happy to help out. And I guess that would be